How to connect Warface with Facebook. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to connect Warface with Facebook. Connecting Warface with Facebook is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Warface and log in. Launch the game and log into your Warface account if required. Go to the account setting. Navigate to the main menu and find the setting or account section. Find the social or link account option. Look for an option to link or connect social accounts, often found under account, connection or social. Select Facebook. Choose Facebook from the list of available social networks on your platform to connect. Log into Facebook. You will be redirected to a Facebook login page or pop-up window. Enter your Facebook credential, email or phone number and password and log in. Authorize the connection. You will be prompted to authorize Warface to connect with your Facebook account. Click on Authorize or grant the necessary permission. Confirm the connection. Once authorized, the connection between Warface and Facebook should be established. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.